Hey guys! So today there's gonna be Marshmello in the adoption center, so let's go. The pillow room. So let's go. Yay. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't when can't even go in the pillow room. Marshmello in the house! Uh, yes, the Marshmello sheep is adopted. Yes, we got the Marshmello sheep and the Marshmello article. You know what? This is great. Marshmello in the house. Join the marshmallow. Join the marshmallow. Hey, the sheep join me. Marshmallow in the house. Join the marshmallows. No, the sheep left. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. 2 hours later, just at the SpongeBob screen right there. Okay, that didn't go well. That didn't go well at all. Like seriously. But anyways, hope you enjoyed me trying to raid the pillow room. At least we got one person to join me, right? Right? One person to join me. Yay. Okay, whatever. So join the marshmallows, guys. Come to my den and we could be the marshmallows. We could take over as the marshmallows. Yeah. All you need is any animal, color it white. And then just give us some black dead eyes, cause wait. Oh my god, don't look at that. Okay. Oh my god. Watch. Marshmallow. Here you go. See, that's all you need. That. Yay. So let's look at Pepper. Oh yeah. Okay, guys. Subscribe to. If I can find that Bepper. Subscribe to Bepper. Shop King. Stereo Moon. Julian 2. The Dark Arrow. Cherry Fizz. Don't subscribe to Jelly Jones. Just kidding. You can subscribe to her if you want. She kind of quit, though. So, yeah. You don't have to subscribe to her. Subscribe to Animal Jam, Loves the Betas, AJ. As me, AJ. Carrot 224, AJ. Super Ninja Squid 7 Gaming. Hurt Jamal, AJ, and all those other channels. Yeah, I guess a bunch of colorful jellies. And she quit. Yeah, I'm not Jones. I'm not Jelly Jones. But join the marshmallows. Join the marshmallows. Bye. I love putting lots of E's, guys.